Hello and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise and we spotlight some hidden gems that have some real potential. I'm Gouri Malik, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we'll be diving into how these SMEs are making significant moves that could really impact their future growth. So without further delay, let's get started. And please remember that this is not a buy or sell recommendation in any sorts. So first up, we have Ganesh Green Bharat Ltd, a key player in the electrical contracting and integrated solar energy solutions, now diversifying into water supply projects and solar PV module manufacturing through its subsidiaries. With expertise in EPC and O&M services, company recently secured a major contract with Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited for a 9 megawatt solar power project at a tariff rate of rupees 3.08 per unit, expected to provide stable revenue and enhance future cash flows for the company. Looking ahead, the company plans to expand its solar PV module manufacturing capacity from 236 megawatt to 750 megawatt by the end of 2024, while also tapping into B2C market across residential, commercial and industrial sectors. And if looking at the financially, the company has seen remarkable performance with revenue surging 689%, EBITDA margins up by 40%, and net profit margins improving by 46%, making it a stock to watch for future potential growth. Next, we have Ceinsys Tech, which was founded in 1998, which has been making strategic strides with its expertise in enterprise, geospatial and engineering services, along with software and electricity sales. Recently, the company secured rupees 27.77 crores project from MHADA, focusing on designing, developing and maintaining a digital transformation system. Now looking ahead, company is gearing up for growth with its entry into the EV market and global engineering R&D sector, which is projected to grow at a 10.6% CAGR. Its acquisition of VTS and plans for further mergers and acquisitions backed by 25 to 27 million fundraise, it signals a very aggressive expansion growth strategy. So financially, the company posted a remarkable 79% revenue growth and a 20% rise in EBITDA margins, through its net profit margins dipped by 1.8%. This mix of strong growth and strategic moves makes this company a must watch. So lastly, we have Sahaj Solar Ltd, a prominent player in the renewable energy solutions with the expertise in PV module manufacturing, solar water pumping systems and EPC services. The company has recently secured a significant work order from Directorate General of Border Security Force (BSF). The order is valued at 15.54 crores and involves setting up of two 25 kilowatt off-grid solar power plants at BSF locations in Gopalpur and Cooch Behar, which is expected to be completed within next 18 months. Financially, the company has demonstrated solid growth with 8% increase in revenue, a remarkable 100% jump in EBITDA margins, and an impressive 99.4% surge in net profit margins, signaling a strong growth momentum ahead. Now also let's take a look at the previous stocks that we have picked and how they have performed so far. So first up, we have Sahana Systems Limited, which was recommended by us at 1275 on 7th October, and it is now trading at 1310, which is a 2.7% increase. Next, we have High Tech Pipes, recommended at 192.9 on 3rd October, and now it is at 207, which is a 7.3% increase. Thirdly, we have Solix Energy, recommended at 1510 on 1st of October, now at 1568, which is a 3.8% increase. ZTech Limited, recommended at 419 on 30th September, is now at 468.8, which is a 11.8% increase. Last, we have RBM Infracon Limited, which was recommended at 925 on 25th of September, is now at 910, which is a 1.6% decrease. So that's it for today. If you missed out on any important information, you can refer to the Noisemaker PDF attached in the description. Thank you.